Hi friends, last weekend my family and I visited my grandparents. My grandma is an excellent cook and she cooks many delicious dishes, but she never lets me tell anyone about her recipes because, quote, it's our family secret. So today, I'm going to share with you one of the dishes that my grandma makes. It's not one of her top secret recipes, so I think it'll be safe to share with all of you. We call it Grandma's secret recipe. When I was young, I used to think that this dish was Grandma's secret recipe. Why? Because she used to make it whenever we visited her house. I asked her why she only made it when I came over, and she said it's because she knew I loved it. Now, even though I'm all grown up, I still love this dish very much. So let's get started. First, you need some chicken thighs. Of course. Then we also need some potatoes, carrots, onions, garlic, ginger, green onions, soy sauce, cooking wine, black vinegar, sugar, salt and pepper. And for the seasoning we have 5 spice powder, cumin powder, paprika, chili powder, and lastly, sesame oil. First, we're gonna cut the chicken thighs into pieces like this. Next, add in the potatoes, carrots, onions, and garlic. Stir-fry them until the potatoes are half cooked. Then add in the chicken thighs. Continue frying until the chicken is half cooked as well. Pour in the soy sauce, cooking wine, and black vinegar. Then add in half of the sugar, half of the salt, and half of the pepper. Mix everything together. Next, we're going to transfer everything into a big bowl like this. Then pour half cup of water into the pot. Bring the water to a boil, then pour the boiling water into the bowl. This is an important step. Please don't skip it. Next, cover the bowl and let it sit for 20 minutes. The longer you let it sit, the more flavorful it will be. While we wait, let's prepare the ginger and green onion. Cut the ginger into little cubes and chop the green onion into pieces like this. After 20 minutes, we're gonna uncover the bowl and add in the ginger and green onion. Then we're gonna mix everything together. Next, add in the remaining sugar, salt, and pepper. Give it another stir. This is the final step. Pour in the sesame oil and give it one last stir. This dish is best served with rice, so I'm going to show you how to make the perfect fried rice to go along with our dish. We're going to start by cutting the green onions. Again, we're only going to use the white parts of the green onions. Chop them into small pieces. Next, add in 1 tablespoon of oil into the pan. Once the oil is hot, add in the chopped green onions and stir-fry them until they become fragrant. Then add in the rice and continue frying until the rice is half cooked. After that, add in the kimchi and pork belly. Continue frying until the rice is fully cooked. Then add in the egg and break the egg while you stir-fry. After the egg is fully cooked, add in the remaining green onions and give it one last stir. This is the perfect side dish for our main dish. And now we're ready to serve. Here's our final dish. It may not be Grandma's top secret recipe, but it sure tastes like it. It has a sweet and sour flavor with a hint of spice, and if you like spicy food, you can always add more chili powder. I remember the first time my mom made this for me. I couldn't stop eating it. I ate so much that day, and I didn't realize it. And that night, I had the worst stomach ache ever. Anyways, I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.